Hiya guys, welcome back to Clearview Driving. My name is Aman and today it's Youcef's test day and he is very nervous, as you can see. He said he's not going to say hello, but yeah, he's got his test today. This is your first test and we've done around, I think, between 18 to 20 hours from a complete beginner.
Sounds about right.
He did get what's it called? You did rent oh, what am I saying, rent? You did insure, sorry. You did insure the car with your dad, but you never actually did any lessons.
I did like 2 hours.
It was painful to sit with him, he said.
Oh, yeah, cut that part out.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut. Okay, so we're gonna get started. We're just gonna go for a little drive, see how you get on, see if there's any concerns. Your test is in about an hour and a bit, so we've got some time. We're just gonna go for a little drive and then get to the test centre. We good to go?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, I'm ready when you're ready.
We're going this way.
Yeah. And let's turn left. And let's do another left. We're going to go ahead from here. And then when we go to the roundabout, let's go straight ahead, second exit. I hate when people do that. It's annoying that sometimes you can fail for other people's mistakes, like if someone cuts in front of you
Will I
like
fail for that?
No, not for what what happened there. But let's say he did that if you were closer. You'd have to brake, wouldn't you? Even though you've got the right of way there. It's one of those ones. Take the next road on the left.
This one, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
He did see it.
Okay.
Yeah, that left turn should have definitely come in a bit tighter, shouldn't it? Again, the way you dealt with it was completely fine. At the end, turn left. What's wrong with what you did there?
No? Oh, okay.
It was good. It was really well done. But remember, the examiner's not going to give you any feedback like this.
Yeah, I know.
So you got to get used to no feedback. Just know, yep, I did that well. At the roundabout, follow the road ahead. It's the second exit. We've got about another 30 seconds or so before we can use the bus lane. Youcef's not got any time for jokes today. He is nervous. You can breathe. No, you're doing well. We're gonna go ahead, okay? No, we're gonna go ahead. The bus lane's gonna come back in.
Okay.
And it's not 10 o'clock yet. At the traffic lights, turn right, please.
I'm not going to attempt what you just did. Maybe I should have. I'm not going to attempt what you just did. Maybe I should have.
Maybe we should have slowed down because it was a massive speed bump. Turn right into any one of these, okay?
Way too close, innit?
As soon as we came into the car park, you should have.
First.
We've always said this, haven't we? That's
why I
why
went
that
too
speed
fast.
bump was so bad.
Yeah.
Alright, when you get a chance, I'd like you to forward park into a space of your choice. Make sure you finish within the white lines of the parking bay.
Forward park, not reverse.
Yeah, forward park into a space.
Okay.
You happy to leave it there?
No, can I check first?
Yeah?
A bit wonky.
Are you happy to leave it there?
Yeah.
Alright, just pop it into neutral. That's fine, thank you. Your front looks like it's slightly overhanging,
Oh, okay.
but you're in the space.
So it's alright.
It's all good. You need to have some faith in yourself. And plus, if you look ahead, how does that look?
What do you mean?
The lines, how do they look?
Straight? Oh, like we're in it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All the parking bays here, if you look at them, they're all in line. So you can use the space in front to kind of know you're in the space. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to reverse out of the space and we're just going to exit the car park.
I would have hit a car there, right?
Yeah, with the way we turned, obviously, but it's okay. As long as you know there's nobody right next to you when you're doing that one, you're good. Doesn't matter if you cross the white line, okay?
Okay.
Left out of here. At the next roundabout, turn right, third exit. You were approaching a bit slow the whole time, right?
I don't know.
What's the speed on this road, by the way?
40.
Yeah. It was a little slow, it was nothing major. But I could tell you wanted the traffic lights to change.
Yeah.
Oh, it gives you that little bit of break. That guy just cut in front, didn't he?
Yeah.
Are you okay with that? Any concerns with what you just did here?
No.
No, it's really good. I know he cut in, but we just
Did he
deal with
cut
it.
in?
Yeah, he did, yeah. He was in the
I
other
was
lane.
looking at this guy.
They both did, didn't they?
Yeah.
Is that dad teaching the little baby to look at the green man? Really joined quite slowly, didn't he? Once you're in, you know he was slow at first, but once you're in, try and gain some speed, and then that's it. We don't want to pass him on this lane either. Youcef. Yes. At the next roundabout, take the third exit right.
Third exit, right?
Yes, please. To the right when safe. move back to the left, Wednesday. Right now, please. Okay, good. And just
I
turn
know
that off
exactly
as
what I
well.
did.
What did you do?
I didn't change gears.
Yeah.
I was too slow to go off in second.
We could not have stalled in a worse spot, honestly.
It's not gonna happen again.
It's okay. We're going ahead, yeah? I suggest you use the middle lane.
Oh, shambolic.
It's okay, you've got the stall out of the way. It's done. It's fine. Because the annoying thing was, when you stalled, you went into that first lane completely. So we went into the roundabout fully when we stalled. So that's why it was like, oh,
Dangerous.
it's not a great place, yeah. And we're going to go into the car park on the right. Alright, how are you feeling about your drive?
Good, good.
Any main concerns besides everything that we've already talked about?
No.
Do you get what happened on that roundabout earlier? Alright, so we've got about half an hour to go for the test, so we'll keep you guys updated. So we'll show you how the results go. You alright?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Good.
Alright guys, he's done it.
Yes!
How was your driving test?
It was good-ish.
Good-ish.
Yeah.
Did it feel like half an hour, 40 minutes?
Nah. Nah, I didn't even, it went so quick.
Yeah. Yeah, when the examiner said, yeah, we're just coming back into the test centre, you were like, what?
That's literally, I thought, what? I thought it was going to be longer, but... That's mad.
Now, really well done. So thank you for everyone that's been watching. He's just in shock at the moment, so I don't think it's kicked in just yet. He wanted me to punch him a minute ago, so I think I have to do that now. But really well done.
See you later, lads. Is it kicking in yet? Yeah, it has. Told you I'd do it. Told you. Oh.